Welcome. This is Public Relations for Nonprofits. Public relations builds awareness and visibility for businesses and individuals and is especially invaluable for nonprofit organizations to support fundraising efforts, marketing, volunteer recruitment, as well as client and program development. The object of any public relations program is to gain reach and message frequency to targeted audiences. This public relations course has been created to give you maximum success using fill-in-the-blank samples and examples that will be presented to you throughout this course. Your organization is an important source of news and information in your community about the activities and services you provide. Fundraising isn't a difficult enough task without having to explain who you are and what you do over and over again. In the beginning, you will be publicizing your activities, any activities, to build public awareness and media confidence in your credibility. This program will successfully develop media confidence in you, and soon the media will be contacting you for stories and comments as a trusted news source. It's called Over the Transom, the maximum ideal exposure for a minimum of effort. That's because public relations works best when it is local, your sweet spot. The time to establish your organization is now to build reach and frequency with diverse audiences. You are a newsmaker, a member of a community whose activities are of interest to others in your area. Let everyone know the totality of your volunteerism and effort, no matter how minor you feel the information is. It all counts in the big picture. Speaking of transit material, if in your TV news watching or newspaper or magazine reading you come across a topic in a story or article that is similar to what your organization does or can inform the public, send an email to the reporter or make a call and let them know. Keep the confirmation. It will pay dividends in the future. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Enjoy the course.